Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm sharing a unique binary options trading strategy that's incredibly simple yet powerful. This powerful strategy uses just one indicator and easy candlestick patterns, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to simplify their trading routine. Quick disclaimer everyone, binary options trading involves risk. You can lose money and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, only invest money you can afford to lose, and remember to do your own research before making any trades. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future strategies and tips. Your support really motivates me to bring even more useful content for you. Okay traders, let's jump right into today's strategy. We're using just one indicator today, the Bollinger Bands. But listen carefully, we're not using the default settings. Instead, we will customize it to a period of 9 and deviation of 1.5. Don't worry, I'll put these settings clearly in the video description below. Here's when you'll enter a sell trade. Wait until a candle touches the upper Bollinger Band and then moves downward. Next, watch closely for the candle to break below the lower Bollinger Band and close clearly outside it. Between the upper and lower bands, there must be at least 3 bearish candles or more firmly formed. When this setup appears, you immediately enter a sell trade on the next candle after the breakout candle. Here's when you'll enter a buy trade. Watch for a candle touching the lower Bollinger Band and then starting to move upwards. Now, wait for a candle to break clearly above the upper Bollinger Band, closing firmly outside of it. Between the lower and upper bands, there should be at least 3 bullish candles or more firmly formed. Once you see this exact pattern, enter your buy trade immediately on the next candle after the breakout candle. Set your chart on the 1-minute time frame. Set your trade expiry to exactly 1 minute. Try trading during the European and New York sessions, as these sessions usually provide clearer trends. Also, avoid trading during high-impact news events to stay clear of unpredictable market moves. Before you risk your hard-earned money, practice this simple strategy on a demo account first. It's a smart way to build confidence and master the setup before trading real money. Check the description box for more details and indicator settings. All right, traders, now comes the exciting part. Let's move over to the live charts. I'll show you exactly how this strategy works in real market conditions. Stay with me, don't skip ahead, because each trade I take will have valuable insights that can help you become a better trader. Ready? Let's dive into some live trades right now. Okay traders, here's a perfect example of our sell trade setup. As you can see clearly on the chart, the candle first touched the upper Bollinger Band line and then strongly moved down, closing completely outside the lower Bollinger Band line. And notice carefully, between the upper and lower Bollinger Band lines, we have exactly 3 firm bearish candles, just as required by our strategy. We've now entered a sell trade on the next candle. Let's patiently wait and see how this trade goes. Remember, stick with the rules and stay calm. And hey, while we wait for the result, let me quickly remind you to hit that like button if you're finding this helpful. Also, comment below and let me know if you've already tried this strategy or if you have any questions. Great! Look at that. We won this trade. You saw it live, traders. This strategy works beautifully when you patiently follow all the rules. But remember, no strategy wins 100% of the time. Always manage your risk and practice enough on a demo account before trading live. Keep watching, because next I'll show you a buy trade example using the exact same strategy. Stick around, don't skip ahead. Every detail counts toward becoming a better, smarter trader. All right, traders. Now, I'm switching to the pocket option platform to demonstrate a buy trade using the same amazing Bollinger Band strategy. Here's the perfect buy trade setup right in front of us. Check closely. First, the candle clearly touched the lower Bollinger Band line, moved upwards strongly, and then closed fully outside the upper Bollinger Band line. And very important, between these bands, you can easily see exactly 3 firm bullish candles formed. This is exactly what our rules suggest. I've now placed my buy trade on the very next candle. Let's wait calmly and see how this trade turns out. Awesome, traders. We won this buy trade too. You've seen it yourself. This strategy can give you great results if you follow the steps carefully and manage your trades properly. Now that we've analyzed this trade, let's move on and look for the next high-quality trade setup that meets all our strategy rules. All right, traders, here we have another perfect buy trade setup based on our strategy. As you clearly see, this candle first touched the lower Bollinger Band line, moved upwards, and then strongly closed completely outside the upper Bollinger Band. Also, notice carefully, between the bottom and top Bollinger Bands, we have exactly 3 bullish candles formed firmly, meeting all the conditions we need. I've just entered this buy trade on the next candle. Now let's patiently wait together and see how this trade turns out. And yes, this trade is another winner. You're seeing it live. This simple Bollinger Band strategy can definitely help you trade more confidently and clearly. Always remember, traders, practice first with a demo account. No strategy guarantees 100% results, but consistent practice will make you a stronger, more skilled trader. We've covered a lot today, traders, and I genuinely hope this simple yet powerful Bollinger Band strategy gives you great results in your trading journey. If anything feels unclear, feel free to go back and re-watch the explanation of our perfect setups. Mastering each detail is essential for consistent success, so don't hesitate to rewind and refresh your understanding. If you found value in today's strategy, please give this video a big like. It really motivates me to create more helpful videos for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell icon to stay updated with new powerful strategies and live trading examples. Also, share this video with friends or fellow traders who might find this strategy beneficial. Let's grow our trading community together. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy your trading journey. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, happy trading.